This is room 117 in the Wild at the Downtowner Motel in downtown Las Vegas. I was in room 107, but I asked to switch rooms because there was this vinegar smell that I kept smelling for the past 2 days, and I realized finally that it was coming from the air conditioning unit, and I could only smell it when the air conditioner was on, so they changed me to this room. And I have to say, it's on the same side of the corridor, it's at the other end, but I like this one more because, strangely enough, it gets more light than the other room, even though they're both looking out into this walkway here that's 2 stories, so you don't get as much light in here, but this is a much lighter room, so I'm enjoying this room much more. And the bathroom's a little bit different. It's got a little window, so I get a little more light too. And this one isn't one of those showers where you can pull it out and use it as a wand shower, but it looks a little on the low side, so I might have to bend down to use it. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely liking this room more so far anyway.